Speed up Windows shutdown. How to turn off your PC faster. First step, disable fast startup. Search for control panel, right click, click hardware and sound, click power option, click choose what the power button does, click it and click change settings and disable the turn on fast startup. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. Once disable after you need to save changes, close it. Next step, disable startup programs, right click, click task manager, click startup apps and disable the application if you are not needed for startup. Important note, don't disable the inbuilt application. Scroll down and search it and disable the application if you are not needed. For example, I am disabling the application. So this is how to disable it. And move on with next step. Scan and repair system files. Search for CMD, right click, click run as administrator and type the following text. SFC space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. Is actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. The verification is started. Once the verification is complete after, it will show if there is any corrupted file available in your device means. There is no corrupted file, exit it and move on with next step. Open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Scanning successfully completed. No error were found. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.